Hey everyone, today I want to show you a couple tricks with Excel and moving columns. If you have a table, also adding some rows. There's an easy way you can go about doing this. With Pivot Table, it's a little different. You can check out my video on that, but let's say you have your salesperson column here and you want to move it to the front of your table. What you want to do is highlight your row here, then you're going to hit Shift. You're going to notice your cursor is a little bit different, so just remember to hit Shift, and then you can see it's just a line here. You're moving around, and by doing that you can swap that column wherever you'd like it to go. So again, just hit Shift and move it over. You want to move it to the beginning of the table, it's going to go ahead and do that for you. So really easy, makes things nice and convenient as you're needing to adjust tables. Let's say you want to do the same thing where you want to adjust a row throughout your table. You just select that, hit Shift, and then it's going to do the same thing where it changes your cursor. Just click and drag, and you're going to be able to drop that wherever you'd like. So it makes things nice and easy for moving columns around in tables, which can make life a little bit easier. Remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.